All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol RSII, currently traded at 0115. Right here, you guys, the last time that we looked at this one, I know that this is a stock that's been getting a lot of attention everywhere. We looked at it up here at this area, and it's actually at its top right there. I said chart is starting to cool down, support at 0150. 0122 might go sideways for a day or so. Watch buying to return, and it just, the whole bottom dropped out of it. I mean, like I said, I use my certain indicators to find this stuff. I find them, well, you guys bring them to us, and after looking at the charts, we find them way down here. But we also try to call it when it's at the top also, to try to lock in as much as we can of a move. That being said, you guys are breaking support lines, unfortunately, right now with RSII. I mean, like I said up here, it's going to continue cooling down. If we covered them every day, I would have definitely put that line up here to watch it to 0122 area off of that. And guess what? Right there, you guys hit the support right there. If you guys follow the videos, you would have known, hey, look, it's tapping that support that guy was talking about over there in his videos. And when it was tapping that, didn't hold that, and fell through now. What's going to happen now? Well, it's really, honestly, it's anyone's guess. It's going to return. It's going to really depend down on if that buying wants to return and the selling to slow. If not, 008 could come, guys. It really could. Like I said, I mean, there's no other way to put it. You guys are breaking support lines that really matter at this point, fortunately. So I can go ahead and put some lines up in here to kind of give you guys a better idea while Joe tells us a little bit about what's going on, if he knows anything new other than the last one.
All right, so there hasn't been any recent updates from the company since the last time we went over it. I'm just going to pull up the filings real quick as well. 1 second. All right, so nothing on that front as well. So, I mean, as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to go over to the RSII message board on Investors Hangout and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily. And if you are interested in researching more about the company, we have the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy ratings, the company profile, all right there at your fingertips. So have at it.
All right, there we go. I'm going to put this up here as far as the resistance levels coming off of that. We're that new 10-day simple moving averages, which I just put in there so you guys understand what that is. That's how come the resistance levels, you know, you got the solid resistance levels, and then you have the resistance levels from previous buys and sells and stuff like that. Let me go ahead and put that in there right across, and I'll read this to you one more time. 0110, selling would need to slow down here for it to move. Support at is 008, resistance at 0128, 0150. That's all it really comes down to. Selling needs to slow down. I mean, the selling's been brutal the last few days here, but it's also had a big move up. You know what I mean? It goes up just as fast as it's coming down right now. You got to keep that in mind also. So RSII, if you feel that this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit subscribe and like. We would appreciate that. If you have a hot stock other than RSII that you would like to see us go over, you can head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know. For all the information that Joe just went over here, we offer this completely free. You pay for this all on other sites. We offer it free here. Time and sales, recent news, filings, and financials. Look at this. You can see every single trade here, the time, price, and volume. For the stock completely free just from joining the site. So that's what we're going to be watching for with RSII.